make money from YouTube Shorts? That's the big question. I'm going to show you proof right now that someone is making millions of dollars per month. But before we start, welcome to Finance Girl, where we teach you how to make money online the simplest way. Make sure to subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to click on the notification bell, so whenever we upload a new video on how to make money online, you will be updated and you can start making things happen. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up. And if ever you have any concerns, questions, or opinions about the video, don't be shy and just leave a comment down below. Now let's get back to the video. Before we go to the website, you first need to set up and have your very own PayPal account. So head on over to paypal.com and set up an entirely free account by clicking this button over here. Just provide the needed details and log into your very own PayPal account. If you don't want that option or don't want to do that, you can set up your own bank account online by searching into Google "online bank account in my country" and sign up for an entirely free account on that online banking website. If you're like me and you don't like to wait, then keep watching this video as I will show you how you can get paid right now. Like, literally, right now through the use of YouTube. Yes, YouTube. You've never heard of this before. This is completely free. No social media following is required. No skills, no experience, and it doesn't matter where you're coming from. And yes, I said it per month from YouTube Shorts. So we are on YouTube, and all I have to do was search Shorts, and that's going to pull up the Shorts shelf. Okay, that's what it's called, the Shorts shelf. And as you can see here, there are people getting millions upon millions of views. 300,000 views, 100,000 views. And if we scroll down, the views just keeps going on and on and on. Now if we look at this particular Shorts from this channel right here, over 1.1 million views, and they've uploaded just one day ago. Now I want to show you how they are making millions of dollars. If we go here to socialblade.com, we can go ahead and verify how much they're making. And as you can see right here, on a monthly basis, they're earning anywhere from this amount of thousands of dollars to millions of dollars. Now even if we say it's somewhere down the middle, that's still millions of dollars per month. And per year, they're earning over $100 million potentially, which is pretty crazy from a YouTube channel. Now these numbers are, obviously pretty accurate because the CPM is based on 25 cents to $4, which is a very, very low CPM. Now in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can get started with making money from YouTube Shorts today. Now before I get started in showing you the exact steps on how to make money from YouTube Shorts today, go ahead and hit the thumbs up button for the YouTube algorithm to see if this video could get 20,000 likes by the end of this week. Let's go ahead and jump into the exact step-by-step strategy. Let's go ahead and jump into it. We're going to go over here to YouTube and we're going to search #Shorts+Fitness. And that's going to pull up all of the Shorts videos that are about fitness. And we're going to see how many views these Shorts videos are getting. As you can see right here, 28 million views from this one uploaded 3 months ago. This one 15 million views 7 months ago. And if we scroll down, 6.1 million views just 7 months ago. So this is actually a niche that not a lot of people are taking advantage of with YouTube Shorts. But it's one of the biggest niches here on YouTube, which is fitness. Because obviously, there are a lot of people who want to get fit for the summer. They want to have healthy bodies, and they want to learn how they can build muscle or just lose fat. So I'm going to show you exactly how you can get started in this niche. That's Untapped with YouTube Shorts, and how you can start potentially earning from it without Google Ads revenue, but from other monetization sources. Okay, so let's go ahead and jump into it. Now the very first thing we need to do is pick the niche, and I already chose that for you. Now the second thing we need to do is to go to a search, an article. That's going to give us content. It's going to give us content that we're going to create for this short video. Now we are on this website. I basically looked up the best 6 exercises to grow your biceps. This is a very popular search term here on YouTube. People learn how to grow their arms, get bigger biceps, that sort of a thing, especially men. Okay, now if you scroll down, there are 6 different types of moves and we're going to go ahead and utilize them. Okay, so easy bar curls, preacher curls, dumbbell curls, concentration curls, and rope curls. So we're going to use some of those. And what I did was, I searched up dumbbell curls. And I found a bunch of images that we could go ahead and use this image right here. I just downloaded this image to my computer. Then I searched up cable curls. And I found this image. I like it, and it will fit in the mobile style. So I went ahead and saved this one here. And then I looked up another one, which is concentration curls. And I found a picture of Arnold Schwarzenegger himself doing concentration curls. So 3 different bicep variations. Now we're gonna make a short video that's educational, that people will want to watch all the way through, because it's teaching them something, especially if they're looking on how to build their biceps or grow bigger arms. So I saved 3 photos, and then I went over here to canva.com, and I'd searched mobile video, created a blank mobile video template right here. Press plus, and that's going to open it up right here. Okay, so I went ahead and dragged those images into here, all 3 of them, and you can size them appropriately. If you guys are enjoying this video, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. Now let's get back to the video. You could size them like this. I went ahead and made the background black, as you can see right here. So it has a nice black background. Then you can press animate on this photo right here, and go to photo zoom. And that's going to make it kind of pan out, look nice, kind of like a video, even though it's just an image. So that's very helpful. Then we could add text to it. Okay, we could add some text, and obviously, we gotta make this text white, so it'll show through. As you can see, 3 exercises for 20-inch arms. I went ahead and added that in there. Number 1, and then we can move on to the next. Number 2 will be cable curl, and number 3 will be concentration curl. So that's very cool. I set up that YouTube Shorts video, basically 5 seconds long in each clip. So it's 15 seconds long, which is perfect length for a YouTube Shorts video. And all I had to do was drag and drop the image in here, and add some text. Click on the image, add photo zoom on each one of them, and now it's like a video. And I'm going to go ahead and press play so you can see what it looks like right here. So this is the video, and it looks very nice. And then it does a little transition. Boom! Into cable curl. And then it does this last transition into concentration curl. So now we have a cool YouTube Shorts video that's also teaching people and educating people, and they're going to want to watch all the way through, which is the whole point of YouTube Shorts, and that is to have the user watching all the way through the whole video. So now what we can do is to go ahead and download this video to our computer, which we'll upload later to our channel, but we're going to download it for now. And now we have to monetize this video, because Google or YouTube doesn't pay out Google ad revenue for YouTube Shorts just yet. So right now, as you are watching this video, maybe they changed the rules. But for now, you are not able to monetize these videos via Google AdSense. So what we can do is monetize via an affiliate product. So what I did was, I went over to clickbank.com, and I searched up biceps. And basically, clickbank.com is an affiliate network with a bunch of different products that you can promote. And they have digital products like this one. I searched for biceps, and they have multiple ones in here. So if we scroll down, we can see, this one right here with this title. And if we scroll down below, there are more of those weight gain and weight loss blueprints and products about how to build muscle. So they have one up here, this one which I will select. That might be a good one too. We're gonna go ahead and go with this one and just click it. It's a $30 commission, so for each person that purchases this product through your special link, you're gonna earn $30. So this is easily doable, especially if your YouTube Shorts videos are getting millions of views, or even hundreds of thousands of views. You can definitely make $500, maybe even $1,000 per day, simply promoting an affiliate product with your shorts. Okay, so you're gonna press promote. You're gonna grab your link. You're gonna get your special link, and then what are you gonna do? So we're gonna grab our link. Then we're gonna go over to YouTube. Upload that YouTube Shorts video to our YouTube channel, and you could say, 3 ways to grow your arms, #shorts. Okay, and then in the description, get the secret blueprint for your building muscle mass. And then you're gonna go ahead and put your ClickBank link right here, which is your affiliate link. And whoever watches the video and clicks on your link to purchase the product, you're going to earn money. And that's it! This is Finance Girl. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and click on the notification bell. Smash the like button, and I'll see